Want to know how to build the perfect home workout plan that actually works in your living room, bedroom, or backyard? You're in the right place. Whether you're just starting out, or looking to take your fitness to the next level, having a personalized home workout plan separates random exercise from real progress. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a home workout plan that's effective, adaptable, and designed for your space, with real examples. You can do these exercises without stepping foot in a gym. The first step is understanding your fitness goals, and why they matter. Ask yourself, are you aiming to lose weight, build strength, improve flexibility, or enhance overall health? Your goals guide every choice you make. For example, if your goal is heart health and weight loss, include movements like brisk walking in place, jump rope without a rope, or stair climbing. If strength building is your priority, functional body weight movements like squats, lunges, glute bridges, and push-ups become the foundation of your plan. Each exercise can be performed safely at home, and scaled to your ability, making your home workout plan fully personalized and adaptable. Next, assess your current fitness level honestly. This ensures your plan challenges you without overwhelming your body, especially in a home environment. Beginners should start with foundational exercises like body weight squats, wall push-ups, glute bridges, and standing marches, to build stability and endurance. These movements strengthen major muscle groups while improving coordination and confidence in your familiar surroundings, preparing you for more advanced exercises. If you're more experienced, progress to harder variations like full push-ups, jump squats, plank holds, or resistance band rows, to continue challenging your body. Always focus on proper form over speed or volume. Safe movement patterns prevent injury and ensure your body adapts correctly to new stresses. Now let's discuss how to structure your week, so you learn to think and adjust your plan rather than blindly following rules. Instead of just saying, do 3 to 5 workouts per week, consider your schedule, energy levels, recovery needs, and home environment limitations. Life at home can interrupt workouts, chores, family, and work calls happen. Your plan must be flexible, but still give your body enough stimulus. Observe how your body feels after each session. If muscles are sore, or fatigue lingers, it's a signal to prioritize recovery, or lighter activity the next day. Recovery doesn't mean inactivity. Gentle stretching, yoga, mobility work, or a relaxed walk increases blood flow, and speeds up recovery without adding extra stress. On the other hand, if you feel ready after a day or two, that's a cue to include another session that week, safely increasing volume. When deciding daily exercises, think in terms of movement emphasis. Balance harder sessions with easier ones to train different systems and prevent overtraining. For instance, after a strength-focused session using body weight exercises like high plank shoulder taps, Bulgarian split squats, or resistance band rows, follow it with a lighter cardio day. Cardio options at home include stair stepping, shadow boxing, brisk in-place marching, or low-impact jumping jacks. This variety keeps workouts engaging and effective. Understanding why progression matters is essential. Muscles, heart, and lungs adapt only when challenged slightly more than before, even in a home setting. At home, progression can be increasing repetitions, shortening rest, or choosing harder exercise variations. For example, progress from squats to squat pulses, or jump squats. Tracking your progress is crucial. Write down exercises, sets, reps, and how you feel during and after workouts, to make intelligent adjustments over time. Observing your progress helps you scale your home workout plan as you improve. If exercises feel easier, add intensity, or try advanced variations safely. Recovery is a key part of your home plan. Muscles grow and adapt during rest, not during the workout itself, so prioritize sleep, hydration, and nutrition. At home, it's easy to underestimate rest because the environment feels casual. Overdoing it leads to burnout, which slows progress more than resting would. Your home environment also provides unique tools. Chairs, stairs, walls, or towels can become effective workout equipment for dips, step-ups, wall sits, and sliders. Furniture and household items allow creativity in your home workout plan, giving you variety without buying expensive gym equipment, while still challenging your muscles. Creating a home workout plan means learning to read your body, adapt your environment, and choose exercises that fit your goals and daily life. It's not about blindly following rules. Strength, cardiovascular health, and flexibility can all improve from home, if your plan is consistent, progressive, and personalized. By understanding why each choice matters, whether exercise selection, frequency, or intensity, you learn to adjust intelligently as your body changes. This approach keeps your home workout plan sustainable, safe, and aligned with your evolving goals, making long-term fitness achievable without leaving your space. Mixed training, combining strength, cardio, and mobility in your home, ensures balanced adaptation, prevents overuse injuries, and maintains engagement, without needing a gym. Over time, you'll notice improvements in endurance, strength, and flexibility, giving you confidence in your ability to modify and optimize your home workouts independently. The flexibility of home workouts also allows you to fit sessions into your life, during breaks, in the morning, or after work, with minimal disruption. By designing your own home workout plan, you gain control over your fitness journey, learning to observe, adapt, and progress safely and effectively. Remember, the key is to understand why each part of your plan exists, not just to follow it. This mindset makes your workout smarter and more rewarding. If you found this guide helpful, subscribe to the channel for more practical tips and routines, and let's build your best home workout plan together.